Hello everyone, this is TracerPixel128 and today is Monday, September 28th, 2020. My mom just got a brand new phone today. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. It's kind of a handful to say. She got the one in Mystic Black. This is the model that has 128 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM. It has a triple camera setup. I believe the top one is 108 megapixels, which that is phenomenal for a phone like this. One of them is 12 megapixels and the other one is this one is a telephoto lens and the other one is panoramic, I think. It has a 10 megapixel front camera and it has the processor is an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus. You see the arrangement of buttons is very different compared to some of the other phones. I will get to those in a minute because I will be comparing it. On the top there is the microphone, the SIM card tray, no headphone jack, and on the bottom there's another microphone, speaker, USB Type-C port, as well as the S Pen, which you can actually write on the screen. Oh wait, I'm left-handed. Yeah, it's a different looking S Pen, so this is wireless. I believe it was introduced with the Galaxy Note 9? I think it's been years since my mom had a Galaxy Note phone. My mom was one of the unfortunate folks that got the Galaxy Note 7 when it was released. I still keep thinking of the power buttons right there. No, it's below that. There's no buttons on the side. Yeah, just a quick overview of the phone. Excuse me, I can't really talk today. Didn't really sleep well. And I'm going to start comparing it with some other phones. I'm going to compare it to the other Galaxy Note phones my mom had. The Galaxy Note 7 is obviously not here. She had to take that back because of the recall, of course. Here it is compared to the Galaxy Note 2. You can see how much smaller this phone is and how much thicker it is. And of course, the S Pen was on the right side instead of on the left. And this one has a cracked screen. This used to be my camera. And here it is compared to the Galaxy Note 4, which you've probably seen in my most viewed YouTube video. Yeah, this is back when Samsung used to make their phones out of plastic, but this one has a metal frame. And this is what its S Pen looks like. I believe you can replace the tip, much like on a drawing tablet. Now I'm going to compare it with some other phones. Here it is compared to my main phone, the Samsung Galaxy S10e, released in 2019. And let me unlock this phone. Yeah, this is running Android, well, these are both running Android 10. This one just has the stock launcher. This one has rootless Pixel launcher. This one is customized. So yeah, this is a minimal installation right here. And she just got some emails. I'm also going to compare it to my iPhone 4S. Mute that. This one is much thicker and it's definitely a lot smaller, obviously. And now I'm going to show you what actually comes inside the box for this phone if you get it. And it's available in 3 colors: Mystic Black, Mystic White, and Mystic Bronze. My mom was going to get the bronze one. She ended up getting the black one. So what you get inside is the charger as well as the USB Type-C cable, as well as the documentation and the SIM card removal tool. Yeah, plenty of those. Is basically what the front of the box looks like. Barcode information. And here's the back. You can pause the video if you want to read that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick review on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. This is my mom's new phone. Hope you enjoy this video, and more videos will be coming soon, so stay tuned.